Hey everybody, I'm Edward Munoz and I'm here in Burton & Burton. And look, this season is amazing. I love this season. It's a fall season. Thanksgiving coming soon. Means we need to start learning a new things. I hope you enjoy this beautiful centerpiece. Are you ready? I'm ready. To start, I want to show you, like, I make this base just putting some pieces they wood together and I staple it because I need a base to place on top the wreath. We need to place the wreath here on top the base, but I need it somehow tie with a 260. I will use a 260. You can use any wire that you have. I have the piece, the 260, and just I will cut in half. I will tie different points a piece, the 260, to connect the base with the wreath. I like better the 260 because I feel like I can stretch a little bit more. And after, we will show the mechanic because wherever you see in any places you see the 260, we will put some balloons over there. See, we have one point here, we have other point here, and we have one extra point here. We have a complete 260 balloon. We will take out all the air, just holding in a stretch and make a knot. That way you keep flat. Why I need that way? Because now I need to make my connection point here on the center, okay? And make a knot. This connection point is, I feel, is the most important because mostly all my balloons will be tied in my center. I have a bubbles balloons, like we need to inflate until all the wrinkles disappear. In this occasion, I will use my premium machine. Remember, inflate all your bubbles until all the wrinkles disappear. Cut the extra ribbon because we don't need it. And add a piece the 260 balloon. Just stretch to make flat. Just wrapping down. And here in this point, make 2 knots. 1 and 2. My idea is place on top this balloon on top my wreath. But if you see, it's a hole here in the center. That's why I need to make a quad to make a stable my balloon. The quad will be with a 5-inch balloons. Remember, we will use the hand pump. This hand pump will inflate the balloons when you're going up and when you're going down. The balloons, we have 5 pumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? 5-inch balloon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe it's too big. How we will know the real size? Because maybe you buy the different wreath, different size like we have here in Burton & Burton. I come into the center. If I put the 5-inch balloon with 5 pumps in my center and it's too big, how I can know if it's too big? Because I hold the center and I start rotation. See, it's too big. Means 5 pumps is too big. We will try now with 3 pumps. 1, 2, 3. And now we can do the same test. is better. Okay? Means we will make a quad, 4 balloons at 3 pounds. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now tie together. Stretch the balloon, wrapping around 2 times, and tie. We have a duplex. We have to make other duplex. We have the first duplex, the second duplex, and just connect on the center and just twist 2 times. You have a quad. This quad, we will tie on the center, the my ring. And now we are ready to tie this balloon on my quad. We will make some duplex in different size to add to our centerpiece. When I say different size, it doesn't matter what size. Just try to make one bigger and other smaller. Oh, I have 2 balloons right now the same size. Just try to make round. That is the first step. Going right now to our YouTube and you will find like organic latex balloon decor and you will see how I did that arch over there. It's the same process. Try to make round your balloons. Take out a little bit the air. And always one need to look bigger than the other. Now you're ready to tie. Remember, when we connect the base with the wreath, we tie with some pieces the 260 balloon. And I told you the same piece, the 260, will help me to cover or tie other balloons. And that is the moment like we will tie the duplex like we make organic, means in different size. We will tie the duplex around the same 260 balloon. With the same piece, the 260 from my center, I will add more and more balloons. You can also twist when you have a duplex and you are ready, you tie one duplex, you have the base already. But you can twist other duplex and just make like organic quad in different size. If you want to add more and more details and be so extravagant, you can add a real pumpkin to your centerpiece. I will see this real pumpkin here. And I need a holder in my base. That's why I will use U-glue strips. Just peel, glue in your base, and now place the pumpkin. If you want to decorate your pumpkins, we have the turkey kit that is so fun and looks so beautiful. Just let me show you. First, we have to start with the wings. After the wings, we can add the head. Finally, we add the feathers. Here. Here. They're on the center. We finished. Look how beautiful and elegant this centerpiece looks. Now, I want you to replicate this design in tag Burton plus Burton in all the social media. Thank you for watching, and I hope see you soon.